Espérez plus d'espérance.
So this example is going to be a little bit different, and you'll see why in a couple of moments. So we're going to find y prime for y is equal to e to the x squared plus 2x plus 3 squared. Alright, let's get started. Let's start with the outside function. So the very outmost function is e to the something. Okay, so this something up here is like our g, okay, and our f is e to the something. Alright, so y prime is going to be e to that something, right, because the derivative of e to something, e raised to a power is e to that power. Okay, so we're just going to have that. We're going to copy that down here and then multiply it, because of the chain rule, times d dx of that power. So x squared plus 2x plus 3 raised to the second power. Okay, so now all we have to do is work with this. This part here, that just kind of stays there once it's placed. So y prime is equal to e to the x squared plus 2x plus 3 squared. And then times, so here again, see how this is a little bit different because we actually have to do chain rule. We have to apply it one more time. So the outside function is something being squared, and the inside function is that something. Okay? So what we're going to have to do is bring this exponent down in front to differentiate it. So 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 3. Then we're left with the 1 power there. And then we have to differentiate the inside function, the very innermost one. So d dx of x squared plus 2x plus the 3. Okay, so now we're almost done. This is set, and now we just have to calculate this last term here. Alright, so y prime is going to end up being an e to the x squared plus 2x plus 3 squared times a 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 3, and then times what? So this 3 will go away in the differentiation, and here we get a 2x and plus a 2. Alright, so that's pretty much it. We can just leave it like that, and then I'll go one more step further actually on the next slide, and I'll simplify that out for the end, for the final answer. So what we can also write is y prime is equal to, so on the previous, I'll just write down what we had on the last slide so we don't forget. So x squared plus 2x plus 3 squared times 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 3, and then we had finally 2x plus 2 at the end. So what I'm going to do is pull out a 2 from this one here, so that'll become an x plus 1 times a 2 in front. Okay, so this 2 here and this 2 there can combine to make a 4. So that'll be a 4, and then I'll write this x plus 1. So I'm just picking and choosing what I want to write first. Okay, so 4, x plus 1, so that takes care of this, that, and that. Then I'll write this parenthesis, x squared plus 2x plus 3, and finally our e, which is raised to the x squared plus 2x plus 3 to the second power. Alright, so this is our final answer. And again, you could have left it as the line above or the line on the previous slide as well. Okay, so that does it for our practice problems video for the chain rule. I hope that helps, and good luck studying.